Hi guys, I am back. Thank you so much for tuning in. I didn't name this recipe, but I will say that yet again, it's like your morning cup of coffee, only healthier. And let's just jump right into it. What I really love the most about juicing is just everything that you can get all in one cup. Imagine if you had to sit and eat, everything. That detours a lot of people away from even wanting to live a healthier lifestyle because they're like, it's nasty. So don't look at the things that I'm putting inside of the juicer and think, I am never going to do that. I'm never going to drink that. Because the more fruits that you add along with your vegetables, it just makes it more tolerable. And then you can always take the pulp from, what's left over and throw that in the blender. And then bam, you have like a nice little, snack. Y'all have to excuse me. I'm also going to be looking just real crazy. I had went out the night before and called myself being a big girl, wanting to go out and drink and have a good time. And I felt every part of that when I woke up the next morning. So I not only made this to boost my energy so that I could go to work, but also to help with any part of the hangover that I was starting to feel and to really just give my body back the nutrients that I had obviously lost by drinking the alcohol. So just excuse the way I look. My hair's all over my head, but I'm just trying to get some energy. That's all. Okay, guys, this is where it likes to splash. So please, please, please be careful. I try to put the tomatoes in a handful at a time, and as you can see, I keep the top covered because, again, it's just very hazardous with how fast those blades are spinning. You do not want to lose an eye to some cherry tomatoes. So I'm just going to continue adding in my remaining fruit to top off my mason jar full of my fruit juice. And then I'm going to prepare to take the pulp, throw it in the blender, blend that up nice and smoothly, then throw that in the freezer, and it will be ready for me later on. If I decide that I want a snack, I like to take it out of the freezer, let it sit for about maybe 5 minutes, and then eat it with a spoon. Because again, I just don't like the texture of smoothies. I am just not a fan. But I will say that having all of that pulp together with that fresh fruit juice, fresh out of the freezer, it's almost like a popsicle in a cup. So it's actually really, really, really good. Here we are right at the end. I'm getting that last little bit out of the blender. And that's it, guys. I'm going to wipe that jar down, put the lid on it, throw it in the freezer, and that's going to be my snack for later. I do want to thank you so much for tuning in. I definitely appreciate you guys. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, meet me in the comments.